just get it and look at the camera.
Okay, there's your pizza, Molly. Can you pinch the edges like Play-Doh, like that? No, the edge. Pinch it.
All around the edge. No, pinch.
Pinch with your fingers.
Like a pinch, like a needle.
Look, give me your fingers. Go like this. Look, look what I do. I make a pinch, like Play-Doh. Yeah, like that. Yeah.
Ooh, there you go.
Oh, you did a great job pinching. John, hand him the sauce, please. The can of sauce.
Yeah.
Molly, take a spoonful of sauce and put it on your pizza.
Be careful though.
Good job.
One more, another big spoonful.
Hold the can over by the pizza paper. Yeah, I know.
Right,
A little bit more.
Right.
Don't get it on your pajamas, though.
It's too pretty.
There you go. Oh, that's perfect. Now look, this is what we do. Spread it. See? Awesome. Justin, put your sauce on.
Go ahead.
Is that enough sauce?
Keep watching. You do your sauce.
Sprinkle some of it. Should that go in the sauce part?
Just sprinkle, sprinkle. Okay, good. Justin's putting his sauce on. Keep going. One more, Justin.
Huh?
One more. Now spread it around with the bottom of the spoon. Yeah, like that.
How does that look?
It's good, Mom. I'll help you.
There you go.
Help Justin, Mom.
All right, help go away.
Go away, Seizure.
Say, go away, Seizure.
Go away, Seizure. Stupid freaking.
Say, go away, stupid Seizure. Don't come back. Huh.
Spread it around. You can do it.
Oh, how's that one?
Very good.
Huh?
Good
Very
job.
good, Jess.
On the other side. Put some on the other side.
Now you gotta put cheese on top of it. Mozzarella.
Nice and cheesy.
Lots of cheese. You like lots of cheese? Yeah.
Yeah.
Sprinkle it around.
What? This is
Yeah.
cheese?
Sprinkle it all around. Move it around. Move it around.
Oh, we're gonna put a little more cheese than that. Put it near the edges. Okay, Justin, help him. It's just not coming out.
It's not coming out.
There we go. Okay, now Justin, cheese.
I thought this was the cheese.
You got a different cheese. Mozzarella cheese now. Do you want, Molly, do you want onions or peppers? You don't? Why? You don't like any of that? You just like cheese? Wait, is all this stuff here? Are you spending the night? You are?
How does that look?
Yeah. Baby talk, no.
More cheese, Justin.
Throw it in the little spots.
also made a Batmobile video yesterday. Cool.
How's that?
Good.
So he said he wants to take it down the track.
Done.
Okay, are we all done?
Done.
Okay,
have
next
cheese
we'll be
more.
putting them in. Okay, you can put the rest of that cheese on the pizzas.
Mommy?
Yeah, put it on both
Here.
of them. Just share it. Where's Jen?
Yes, but
Jen's pizza's already in the oven.
Yeah, I got 2. I can
What?
eat.
What? Yeah. And Uncle Tom, he
All the
thought,
cheese tamale.
Put the rest on Justin. Just pick up the bowl and dump it.
Oh, wow.
need to go rinse.
Okay, now we just gotta cook it. As soon as Jen's pizza's done, we're gonna cook yours. Okay?
Wait, Uncle Tom, you need to come.
Color?
Are done. The cheese is a little bit too done, but those are Jen's pizzas. Okay, pull them out. Don't spill them.
I hope. Oh, that looks good. Oh, nice and cheesy, Daddy.
Okay, bring it right here.
Wow.
Hold on. Slide it.
Oh, that is good. Okay.
Slide it off. There
Look
you
at that good, delicious pizza. What I put this at?
go. Put it over by the sink.
Okay. Yeah?
No,
You don't need it?
no, just set it there.
Okay.
So there's Jen's mushroom, pepperoni, onion, and hot pepper. And there's just cheese. And that was Mom and mine's. And here's Molly and Justin's going in the oven right now. And when I cook pizzas, I cook them on a pizza stone that acts like a brick oven.
What do you do, like that?
So the stone stays in and it always gets hot. And I put them
How you make it?
on a screen. And I'm going to cook it 11 minutes at convection so that the hot air is blowing at 400 degrees. And then check it, turn it around in the oven, and cook it another 10 minutes. With just cheese, it's going to be less than 11 minutes. So that's it.
Pizza.
And Jen's cutting her pizza and probably burning her fingers because she's touching it. And that's what the bottom crust looks like with the screen. Very good, crispy.
Ooh, nice and crunchy.
What do you mean it doesn't look like pizza?